Welcome to the Explainer. Okay, today we are looking at something that is absolutely going to change the way you look at the device sitting right there in your pocket. We're skipping all the wild hype and getting right down to brass tacks. How to actually turn your smartphone from a total time sink into a legitimate income-generating tool using mobile AI.
So it's a big question, right? Can your phone really become an AI earning machine? Well, looking at the data and the guides for 2026, the answer is a massive yes. But listen, here's the real secret sauce. Pulling this off doesn't mean you need to be some coding genius. Not at all. It is 100% about practical, repeatable workflows. It's not just about having the tools, it's about exactly how you use them. To get us there, we've set up a zero-to-hero blueprint for this explainer. We're going to cover the mobile AI advantage, getting started and set up, top AI side hustles, selling AI prompts online, and finally, securing your AI payouts. All right, let's kick things off with Section 1, the mobile AI advantage. Now, even though the exact same models like GPT-4o are running under the hood on both platforms, the actual workflows night and day. The mobile app is your go-to for real-time, on-the-go stuff. Think rich voice interactions, live camera overlays. It's basically for grabbing context right in the moment. But the web app, that's your heavy-duty, desk-bound powerhouse. It's built for handling massive documents and complex task management. Knowing exactly when to switch between the two is literally your first big competitive advantage. Moving right along to Section 2, getting started and set up. Okay, when you're getting your device all set up, step 2 on this list is absolutely critical. You have to verify that OpenAI is the actual developer. There are so many copycat apps out there just waiting to scrape your data, so watch out for that. Oh, and whatever you do, please don't skip step 4. Tweak those custom instructions in your settings. Telling the AI to use, say, a highly specific professional tone is what turns it from a generic robotic chatbot into your own customized business assistant. I mean, you gotta love this real and honestly painfully relatable user review. They said, it's like talking to a toddler. Because look, AI is definitely not perfect. It messes up all the time. But here's the thing. From a monetization perspective, that frustration is actually your golden ticket. Clients aren't paying you for some raw, messy AI output. No way. They're paying for you, your human brain, your ability to edit, refine, and fix things way faster than the app ever could. Which brings us to Section 3, top AI side hustles. So how do we actually put this into practice and scale it? Well, if you have a way with words, you could easily spin up an AI content writing service for SEO blogs or, optimizing resumes. More of a visual person, you can pair AI scripts with video editing apps like CapCut to run entire faceless YouTube channels. Or use AI to brainstorm designs in Canva for a print-on-demand merch store. You could even manage social media automation for local mom-and-pop shops. The secret sauce here? It's combining that super fast AI generation with your own strategic human touch. All right, let's dive into Section 4, selling AI prompts online. Now, we really need to get this straight right off the bat. Not all prompts are going to sell. A super generic prompt asking for a beautiful landscape, yeah, that's completely worthless. What buyers are actually opening their wallets for are highly specific, battle-tested workflows. We're talking complex SaaS email sequences, bulletproof image generation styles to keep a brand's identity consistent in Midjourney, or really deep developer coding frameworks. You're not just selling a string of text. You're selling a shortcut to your own expertise. And the real magic trick to scaling this up is all about how you package it. Look, selling a single prompt for $1 or $2, that's really just a volume play or a loss leader to get people through the virtual door. The actual sustainable business is in the bundles, grouping 20 to 50 prompts into a professional pack and selling it for maybe $19 to $49. Or even better, creating a monthly subscription. Buyers pay for ongoing updates as the AI models inevitably change and evolve. It literally turns a basic text document into sweet recurring revenue. And finally, Section 5, securing your AI payouts. Seriously, pay very close attention to these numbers, guys. A lot of the dedicated prompt marketplaces out there will take a massive 20 to 40% cut of your hard work. Honestly, ouch. But if you sell direct through platforms like Dodo Payments, you get hit with incredibly low transaction fees. We're talking just 4% plus 40 cents. That means you get to keep up to 96% of your own money, and the platform still handles all that annoying global sales tax stuff for you automatically. It's a total no-brainer. Plus, you've got to remember that most of those flashy AI money claims you see online completely fall apart right here at the payout stage. You have to be proactive and meet the strict requirements of whatever platform you decide to use. Before you sink weeks of your life into this, verify your identity, double-check that your specific withdrawal method is actually supported in your country, fill out the required tax forms, and know exactly what the minimum payout threshold is. Doing this boring admin stuff up front guarantees your digital hustle actually turns into cold, hard cash in your bank account. So we have covered the unique advantages of mobile, the tool setups, the realistic side hustles, the prompt packaging strategies, and of course, the unglamorous but vital reality of getting paid. The tech is literally sitting right there on your smartphone, just waiting to be put to work. So the only question left for you is, which AI workflow are you going to build first? Thank you so much for joining me on this explainer, and I genuinely cannot wait to see what you guys create.